Ex-Arizona Wildcats coach Rich Rodriguez accused by former employee of s.exual hara.ssment. 5 days before University of Arizona football coach Rich Rodriguez was abruptly fired, his former administrative assistant filed a multimillion-dollar claim accusing him of sexually harassing her and creating a hostile work environment. The allegations included forcing her to keep secrets about Rodriguez's extramarital affair and inappropriate behavior toward her. The notice of claim, filed with the state attorney general's office by an attorney representing Melissa Wilhelmsen and her husband, Jason, seeks $7.5 million in damages from Rodriguez and his wife. The claim was filed December 28, the day after Arizona played its last game of the year, and the day the university said that an investigation into harassment allegations against Rodriguez had been completed. The Arizona Republic obtained a copy of the 9-page claim by the Wilhelmsens Tuesday night. The claim alleges that Melissa Wilhelmsen, who worked for Rodriguez from late 2011 to August 2017, felt constant pressure to hide Rodriguez's extramarital affair from his wife. She said she, along with 2 others on the football staff, referred to themselves as the Triangle of Secrecy. She described several occasions in which Rodriguez's actions and words made her particularly uncomfortable, including walking past her shirtless in his underwear, trying to kiss her and asking her to come to his house alone to assist him with his dog. The university, in a letter about his firing signed by President Robert C. Robbins and athletic director Dave Heek, said that it had hired the Phoenix law firm of Cole and Dowd Quigley to conduct a comprehensive investigation in October after a former employee in the athletics department alleged that Rodriguez harassed her on multiple occasions. The investigation finished December 28 and found that the original harassment allegations against could not be substantiated based on the evidence and witnesses available. However, Arizona Athletics did become aware of information, both before and during the investigation, which caused it to be concerned with the direction and climate of the football program, the letter said. The university said the former employee declined multiple requests to participate in the investigation into her allegations and was unwilling to turn over communications that she alleged provided support for her allegations. The university said its decision to fire Rodriguez was based on several factors, including the direction and climate of our football program. Rodriguez released a statement on Twitter Tuesday night, calling the harassment claims baseless and false. He said that he was deeply disappointed to learn by email this evening that the University of Arizona is buying out my contract. He admitted to having a consensual extramarital affair with a woman not affiliated with the university, and added he was working to regain the trust of his wife and children. The Wilhelmsens claim alleges that Rodriguez was a demanding boss, frequently calling at all hours of the night just to change travel plans or make some other requests which were only emergencies to him. Rodriguez had Wilhelmsen get a sideline pass for his girlfriend for November 2015 game against USC. His wife also was on the sideline during that game, and Wilhelmsen had to stand between the 2 women to avoid a confrontation, the claim says. Wilhelmsen said Rodriguez's wife in May 2016 asked her to lunch, which became a 3-hour interrogation of sorts to find out what Melissa knew about Rodriguez's flirting and promiscuity. Rodriguez's personal behavior toward Wilhelmsen led her first to seek, unsuccessfully, a job in another university position and later to resign her job as the coach's assistant, the claim says. Among the allegations, Wilhelmsen also expressed concern about a so-called hideaway book that was written by Rodriguez and given annually to coaches and football operations staff. The goal was to establish secrecy within Rodriguez's inner circle and establish complete control of the group. The claim said one outgrowth of the hideaway book was the saying Title IX doesn't exist in our office. Title IX is a federal law that bars discrimination on the basis of sex and covers sexual harassment, sexual violence and gender-based discrimination. The claim said that Wilhelmsen suffered migraines and nightmares and the work-related stress put a strain on her marriage. She has had to enter counseling as a result. She quit her job at the university in August 2017, the claim says, after being refused a transfer to another job at the school. Wilhelmsen's attorney, Augustine B. Jimenez III, did not respond to a phone call and email Tuesday night. University officials announced Tuesday evening that Rodriguez was being fired without cause and said they will honor the separation terms of his contract, which includes a $6.3 million buyout. The 54-year-old coach just finished his 6th year at the school. His was considered to be on the hot seat following a 3-9 record in 2016. But he seemed to have stopped any talk of losing his job until this year's late-season slide when Arizona lost 3 of its final 4 season games, including a loss to longtime rival Arizona State. His contract runs through May 31, 2020. Related, Rich Rodriguez fired as Arizona Wildcats football coach. More, Rich Rodriguez fired, Arizona football coach contract. Record and news. Reach the reporter at 60244899127 or an.ryman@arizonapublic.com.